dear Sagittarius, welcome to your reading for full moon April 26, 2021. Let's begin shuffling. Oops. Okay. Both the cards already came out. I'll have to pick them up. There is the Angel of Balance and the Angel of Creativity. Wow. Great. So you might be a little out of balance. We all are suffering from something or the other around this pandemic. So maybe you guys are also a little out of balance, and that's why the Angel of Balance has come into picture to you, requesting you to balance your emotions right now, not feel too negative as most of us are feeling because of whatever is happening. Some of you might be suffering it personally, some of you might be hearing it on the news and then suffering it emotionally. Some of you would be experiencing some problems in your relationships because of the lockdown, not being able to meet your loved ones, not being able to do that job or that business that you wanted to do, all sorts of things. But you need to gain balance back in your life, and that's why the Angel of Balance is there. Let's see what it has to say to you. It's asking you, are you dealing with an inflamed or unbalanced situation? So your body could be inflamed as well. You could be getting rashes, or you could be having an upset stomach or something like that because of a lot of anxiety because of what is happening around you, right? Do you have imbalances in your body? So balance your emotions through journaling, exercise, and healthy communication, right? So not just eating healthy, you have to communicate healthy. Communicate healthy means you have to be positive in your words, not just talk negative about what is happening. Let's not talk about it at all, because checking on the news constantly and figuring out what the number of deaths and number of cases, it's not going to help any of us. The only thing that's going to help us is keeping ourselves safe by taking all the precautions which we are already aware of, right? Exercise, because it's only going to help you take off your mind from all the negativity, plus help your body maintain good balance and good immunity, because exercise helps your body maintain and regulate your blood flow and your hormones and all the things that are necessary. So do exercise. Take care of your body, mind, and spirit. Yoga and meditation are also beneficial for you, it says Sagittarius. The positive affirmation it has for you is, my body is healthy and in balance. Even if you are feeling healthy, you still need to say it just in case. And if you're, because this is like a thanking message to your angels and to God if you're feeling healthy. And if you're not feeling healthy, this is going to help you feel healthy, right? So my body is healthy and in balance. My cells naturally regenerate and rejuvenate themselves so that all of my systems function harmoniously. I am calm and relaxed. I exercise regularly. I enjoy my meditation practice on a regular basis, right? Do these affirmations, do these things that the angel is telling you. It's going to help you great way. Now there is the Angel of Creativity. The Angel of Creativity is asking you, are you involved in a creative project or thinking about starting one? Maybe you're thinking about it, and because of the pandemic and lockdown you're not able to. Or maybe you are about to you are thinking about a project which might help in this pandemic, and you are thinking about it, right? You are fertile with good ideas and the ability to conceive something magnificent. Have the courage to take action to make your dreams come true. Allow yourself the time to create. So definitely, if you have something, it says that yes, no matter what's happening around you, this is the right time to start that business, to start that idea. Maybe you have something in relation to which will help the people in general, or which will help the patients out there suffering, or which will help the medical services and the doctors and everybody. So if you have such ideas in your mind, Sagittarius, it says that you are a magnificent being and you have brilliant ideas. So do give it a shot, right? Talk to somebody who can materialize your ideas and make it into action. The Angel of Creativity also has a positive affirmation for you. It says, because in case you are feeling that you're not able to start that business or that idea, you're not able to materialize it, these positive affirmation are going to help you around the full moon. It says, I'm fertile in body, mind, and spirit. Creativity flows through me in many ways. I am brave and bring my ideas into actuality, like I'm talking about materializing your ideas. My imagination is the key to my success. I envision my future and joyfully participate as it unfolds. So definitely there's something in your mind that you have already imagined. Now you just have to come and make it and bring it to into actuality, which is you have to take action on that, right? So do that, Sagis, because it might help the world. I think I did one of your readings, I don't remember, in March or Feb, where it says that you do have great ideas, and I still remember, and that you can actually change the world. It is again that time that the world needs your help, Sajis, and if you can, and you if you have such ideas, please please work on it, right? So take care around this period. Please think positive, stay positive, and stay safe, and I will see you guys soon. Bye bye.